Every other weekend, 85-year-old Bill Schwindler strolls between tables at Waldhorn German restaurant in Pineville, playing classic tunes on his accordion. Folks in the restaurant enjoy his special touch. But a little over a year ago, he had to stop performing after life-threatening heart problems landed him in an operating room at Novant Health Presbyterian Medical Center in Charlotte.
2 weeks before surgery were hell. I mean, I could not sleep. I couldn't breathe. Every 15 seconds I'm going, taking deep breaths, trying to breathe. And of course, if I can't breathe, I can't sleep. And I couldn't lay flat. When I laid flat, it was even worse. So one night I says to the girls, I says, something's got to be done.
Bill had a transcatheter aortic valve replacement, known as TAVR. The procedure is done by making an incision in the chest or near the groin and feeding a replacement valve into the heart.
I could not believe the results. It was amazing. The surgery on Thursday morning, Saturday at noon, I'm sitting home in my living room, and I'm sitting there shaking my head. When people have a procedure done, they sometimes will say it, and it worked out good. They'll say, "I feel like $1 million." I says, "I feel like $5 million." A big smile on his face.
2 weeks after surgery, Bill could tickle those keys once again, but with a minor equipment adjustment.
The one I learned on, and what I always used to play weighed 33 pounds. That little one I'm playing now, 7 pounds. So that's a lot easier.
Thanks to his procedure, Bill Schwindler is back, doing the things he loves to do.
Oh, I mean, it's helped me. I mean, working here, because especially during Oktoberfest this past year, I worked 4 hours a night. I've been back out playing golf again. You know, I shouldn't have played 18 holes the first time, but I was a little sore the next day.
For Novant Health, I'm Jack Brayboard.